oh, it's all gone. I guess my soda's all gone. I guess I'll just throw it away. Don't throw it away, reuse it. Remake it into something you could reuse all the time, every day, at funerals, family functions, school, jail, court, whatever you want. Just get some can opener, pop that bitch on the top. Oh shit. Open her like this, twisty twist queen. Make that come off, get the top out of the, oh shit, get the top out of the bottle and clean it out with water, and you could reuse it for tea, you could reuse it for water, you could reuse it for alcohol, you could reuse it for Minute Maid juice, whatever you want. Queen. It's so good. It's so reusable, and you're saving the planet at the same time. Thanks, Queen.